Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with the basics. Make sure the case is unlocked, clean, and dry so nothing slips. Once open, hold the case with the hinge away from you and steady it on a flat surface. Use your thumb on the stem side and your index on the outer rim. Apply gentle outward pressure while tilting each AirPod slightly toward the center. This breaks the magnetic hold. Make sure to do one AirPod at a time to avoid dropping either bud. Now you move into the controlled extraction. Position your fingertip behind the stem and the pad of the thumb on the outer cup. Push outward and up at about a 45-degree angle. This both counters the magnet and clears the charging pin. Once the rim clears, pull straight up in a smooth motion. If resistance feels sudden, stop and reseat your grip. Twisting or yanking risks bending the stem or dislodging internal parts. Make sure to keep a soft cloth under in case you drop one. Finish by placing each AirPod on a soft surface and closing the case to protect the hinges. Once done, inspect the metal charging contacts. If charging fails, clean gently with a dry microfiber cloth and isopropyl on a cotton swab, making sure nothing enters speaker grills. If an AirPod still won't seat or connect, reset the case by holding the setup button for 15 seconds. That often recalibrates the magnet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.